Hey guys, this is Alan LaRose here at MarineMax Coco, and I'm going to show you a 2020 Scout 175 Sportfish. We just traded this one in. This is a really nice boat. Nice blue hull, bimini top, and it is powered with the Yamaha 115. That is a nice upgrade to this boat. Coming to the back of the boat here, we have a swim platform with a step-off ladder there, and then this boat does have the upgraded trim tabs on it too as well. Coming on up into the boat, you notice we do have a nice bimini top on here. Easy stepping into the boat right past the motor. Got a helm seat here. This is a flipping, reversing seat. So if we're going to cruise around straight there, we can flip it up go this way if we want to look off the back of the boat, fishing off the back, or kind of put it right in the middle, treat it like a leaning post. There is a spot to add a cooler underneath there as well. Storage underneath both those compartments, a nice bilge access there to any of your pumps. Up here at the helm, we've got a Garmin GPS on board. Nice glove box, phone, wallet, keys, everything going there. Fusion stereo with a very nice upgraded JL stereo system in this, subwoofer included. Dual battery switch here. Coming on up to the side of the boat. This side we've got rod holders, some knife holders, pliers there. Nice seat up in the front of the boat. Backrest is high on your back, great for cruising around. Bow cushion here is removable, and this does open up for nice storage in there, or you can treat it as a fish box. Separated anchor locker here, and these are rod holder cup holders up in the bow of the boat. It does have a plate and bracket if you would like to add a Minn Kota trolling motor. And that's it, guys. This is a 2020 Scout 175 Sportfish. My name is Alan LaRose. Come swing by and see us, or give us a call, 321-636-3142. Have a great day.